Good morning, students. Today we are starting with the second part of three-dimension geometry, that is the plane. A plane is a surface such that a line segment joining any 2 points on it lies wholly on it. If you take any 2 points, join them, draw a line, all points on the line will lie on the plane. Normal to a plane. Normal to a plane is a line as shown. As you can see, A and B are any 2 points. All points of A and B line are on plane, and normal is a line which is perpendicular to line AB. General equation of plane is AX plus BY plus CZ plus D equal to 0, where ABC are the DRs of the normal shown in the figure. Equation of plane passing through a given point x1, y1, z1 is given as ax minus x1 plus by minus y1 plus cz minus z1. If a plane cuts x, y, z axis at A, B and C, its x intercept is OA, y intercept is OB, z intercept is OC, and it is represented by small a, small b, small c. So intercept form of the plane is x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equals to 1. A plane passing through 3 points x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2, x3, y3, z3 is given by the formula determinant x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1. It appears long, but it is a very simple and easy to learn formula, and in vector form it is r minus a dot b minus a cross c minus a, where a, b, c are the 3 points which are represented as vectors a, vector b and vector c. Let us do few questions in order to understand how these formulas are used. Find the direction cosines of the normal to the plane. Now we know that direction ratios of the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d are abc. So if we compare 2x plus 3y minus z, we get a2, b3 and c minus 1. The relation between direction ratios and direction cosines is L is equal to a upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. M is b upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. N is equal to c upon under root a square plus b square plus c square. We put the value and we get L is equal to 2 upon under root 14, M is 3 upon under root 14, N is minus 1 upon under root 14, as you can see. Write the Cartesian form of r dot 2i plus 3j minus 4k is equal to 1. This is also an equation of plane. How do we represent it? Back in Cartesian form, in place of r, let us write xi plus yj plus zk and take the dot product. We get 2x plus 3y minus 4z minus 1 equal to 0. Third question. Find the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular from origin to the plane 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 12 equal to 0. You can see O is the point which is known as origin. And from origin a line is drawn perpendicular which is passing through the point P x1, y1, z1. You can see the plane also in the figure. And we want to find out what is the point P. This point P is known as foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin O. So for in doing so, this is how we have to do. Let OP is perpendicular from O. P is a point on the plane. Then direction ratios of OP are x1 minus 0, y1 minus 0, z1 minus 0. Direction ratios of the normal to the plane. Normal can be any perpendicular line on the plane. They are, as we have done in question number 1, the DRs of normal. Compare it with 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 12 equal to 0 are 2, 3 and 4. As you can see, OP and any normal are parallel to each other. If the two lines are parallel, then their coefficients are in the same ratio. A1 upon A2 equal to B1 upon B2 is equal to C1 upon C2 is the condition for two lines to be parallel. So x1 upon 2, y1 upon 3, z1 upon 4 is equal to k. x1 is 2k, y1 is 3k, z1 is 4k. Now this point P, x1, y1, z1 lies on the plane, and equation of plane is 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 12 equal to 0. So let us put the value of x1, y1 and z1 in the plane, and what do we get? We get 2 into 2k plus 3 into 3k plus 4 into 4k minus 12 is equal to 0. So 29k plus is equal to 12, and k is equal to 12 upon 29. So if k is equal to 12 upon 29, so x1 is 2k, 24 upon 29, y1 is 3k, 36 upon 29, z1 is 4k, that is 48 upon 29, as you can see. So the foot of the perpendicular P, x1, y1, z1 is the value 12 upon 29, 36, not 12, this is 24 upon 29, 36 upon 29 and 48 upon 29. Please make the correction, it is not 12 upon 29. X1, as you can see, we have solved, it is 24 upon 29. Find the intercepts cut off by the plane 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 12. Now we know that intercept form of equation is x upon a, y upon b, z upon c. We bring this equation in this form by dividing the whole equation by 12. What do we get? 2x upon 12, 3y upon 12, 4z upon 12, 12 upon 12, x upon 6, y upon 4, z upon 3. Compare it with x upon a, y upon b, z upon c. We get a, b, c as 6, 4 and 3. Find the equation of the plane with intercept 3 on y-axis and parallel to z-x plane. The equation of ZOX is y equal to 0. On z-axis, ZOX plane in class 11, we have studied that y coordinate is 0. So the equation of any plane parallel to ZOX plane will be y is equal to b. We know that parallel to line parallel to x-axis is y, line parallel to x-axis is y is equal to b. So in same way, y is equal to 0 means parallel to is x-axis. So y is equal to 0 is equation of z-x plane. So any plane parallel to ZOX plane is y is equal to b. So y-intercept of the plane is 3. So the value of b is 3. So equation of the required plane should be y is equal to 3. Question number 6. Find the equation of plane through the intersection of these two planes and passing through the points 2 to 1. How do we find out? Any plane through the intersection of any two planes is written as first plane plus k, any constant multiplied by second plane equal to 0. So we write the first plane and second plane with constant k. Put x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to 1. We solve and get the value of k minus 2 by 3. After getting k minus 2 by 3, we again put the value of minus 2 by 3 in place of k and take the LCM and solve it. We get the equation 7x minus 5y plus 4z minus 8 equal to 0. Students, we have to do some calculation all by yourself. Try to do these questions even after seeing in the videos yourself, and you will be finding yourself very confident while doing it all by yourself. Question number 7. Find the equation of plane passing through 3 points. The 3 points are x1, y1, z1, 1, 1, 0, x2, y2, z2, 1, 2, 1, and x3, y3, z3, minus 2, 2, minus 1. So let us put the values x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, x minus 1, y minus 1, z minus 0, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 0, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is minus 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, minus 1, 0. After solving, we get x minus 1, y minus 1, z 0, 1, 1, minus 3, 1, minus 1, determinant. Put it equal to 0. Let us solve it. X minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus y minus 1, 0, minus minus plus 3, z 0 plus 3. On solving, we get 2x plus 3y minus 3z minus 5 equal to 0. Find the distance of the point 3, 4, 5 from x plus y plus z equal to 2 measured parallel to the line. The point 3, 4, 5 and 2x plus y equal to z is x upon 1 is equal to y upon 2 is equal to z upon 2. This line we are writing in the Cartesian form, that we are having x minus x1 upon a, y minus y1 upon b, z minus z1 upon c. Why? In order to find out what is the value of ABC. So equation of line through the point 3, 4, 5 and parallel to this line. So this we are having point x1, y1, z1 as 3, 4, 5, ABC as 1, 2, 2. So let us put, we get this line x minus 3 upon 1, y minus 4 upon 2, z minus 5 upon 2. So general point is x is equal to k plus 3, y is equal to 2k plus 4 and z is equal to 2k plus 5. The general point on the line is obtained. Now the line is parallel, so the drs of normal to the plane is 1, 1, 1 and line cuts the plane for some value of k at q. You can see this line figure. In this figure you can see the line PQ. So Q is the point at which this line is cutting the plane. So at point Q we can equate the general point in the equation of the plane. The equation of plane is x plus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. So what is the general point? The general point is given over here in terms of k and we are putting it in the plane, that is x plus y plus z is equal to 2 and we are getting the value of k. This k is minus 2, so the point q that we are obtaining by putting the value of k is equal to minus 2 in k plus 3, 2k plus 4, 2k plus 5, q is coming 101. If q is 101, we know what is the value of p, 345. Q is 101 using distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, z2 minus z1 whole square. We get 3 minus 1 whole square, 4 minus 0 whole square, 5 minus 1 whole square, 3 minus 1 is 2 square is 4, 4 square is 16, 5 minus 1, 4 square is 16, 4 plus 16 is 20, 20 plus 16 is 36, square root of 36, PQ is 36 units. Now these two questions are questions of CBSE board, so we need to do them. They are very important. A plane cuts coordinate axis at A, B and C such that the centroid of the triangle ABC is given GPQR. Prove that equation of plane is x upon p plus y upon q plus z upon r is equal to 3. You can see it in the figure that the plane is cutting A at A, B, C is the points where plane is cutting and a triangle is formed and the centroid of the triangle is G. Coordinates of point A will be A0, 0, B will be 0, B0, C will be 0, 0, C. What will be the centroid? Using formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 upon 3 is a plus 0 upon 3, 0 plus b plus 0 upon 3, 0 plus 0 plus c upon 3 is equal to GPQR. P is equal to A by 3, Q is equal to B by 3, R is equal to C by 3, A is 3P, B is 3Q, C is 3R. Let us put the value in intercept form, that is x upon A plus y upon B plus z upon C is equal to 1. X intercept, y intercept, z intercept has value 3P, 3Q, 3R. So 3 is taken common and taken on the other side. So x upon p plus y upon q plus z upon r is equal to 3. Question number 10 is find the point where the line through 516 and 341 crosses zx plane. In the previous assignment also we have discussed this question. X1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 is given. We write the equation x minus 5 upon 3 minus 5, y minus 1 upon 4 minus 1, z minus 6 upon 1 minus 6 is equal to k. General point is x is equal to minus 2k plus 5, y is 3k plus 1 and z is minus 5k plus 6. At the point where it cuts zx plane, the value of y is 0. So put the value of y 3k plus 1 equal to 0. We get k is equal to minus 1 upon 3. If k is minus 1 upon 3, we put minus 1 upon 3 in x, y and z. We get x 17 by 3, y 0, z 23 by 3. So these are the point, this is the point at which this line will cut the zx plane. Please students do this, complete this topic in your fair copy. Thank you very much.